Fix these two things before bed and never wake up tired again. A proper sleep is essential for the good condition of your health. However, most of us don't manage to get enough sleep due to stress or work. By getting proper sleep, we would be able to effectively heal and repair our heart and blood vessels. According to many studies, the average amount of sleep has been reducing from 7 to 8 hours to 5 to 6 hours. Our body is working hard to keep us up through the day. So, at the end of the day, we need proper rest, so we can recharge and do the same activities the following day. Also, keep in mind that a cup of coffee is not the solution to your problem. You need a proper rest and a proper sleep. Health and lack of sleep. It is scientifically proven that people who sleep for less than 6 hours are more likely to experience heart disease. It is very important to keep in mind that lack of sleep can lead to numerous diseases. According to a study done by the European Heart Journal, people who don't get enough sleep have 50% increased risk of heart disease and 15% increased risk of stroke. The study showed that if you also sleep for 9 or more hours, you have 40% increased risk of heart disease and 65% increased risk of stroke. So, it is very important to balance your sleeping time. Lack of sleep can also increase your blood pressure. While we sleep, our body uses that time to lower the blood pressure, which means that if you don't have proper sleep, your body will not be able to lower your blood pressure. Daily distractions. As we said before, there are many reasons why people can't have proper night's sleep. However, the excessive use of technology is one of the main reasons that can disrupt your sleep. Fortunately, you can solve this problem in a natural way. The ultimate sleep solution. This solution is very simple with just 2 ingredients. It will help your body to relax from the stressful day you had, and it will help your body to prepare for the next day. So this is the key to have a good night's sleep. Needed ingredients: 5 teaspoons of organic raw honey, 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt. Mix the ingredients and store the mixture in a glass jar. You should put a bit of this mixture under your tongue every night before going to bed and let it dissolve. Salt and honey. Himalayan sea salt contains more than 80 minerals and elements essential for our body. Honey, on the other hand, is an excellent source of glucose which supplies our body's cells with energy. This powerful combination can also increase serotonin and help you to distress naturally. In other words, you will never face problems with your sleep ever again.